Imagine if you could design your own mobile service and pay for just what you want and get exactly what you need. Introducing Xact. You create it, you control it. You build your own mix of talk, text, and data. And adjust it from anywhere, anytime. If you run low, you can easily add more. If you don't use it all, you'll only be charged for the plan that's exactly right for you. You can share your plan with anyone on any Xact device, in any way you choose. You don't need a special share plan because any plan is shareable, large or small. Right from your phone, you could set parental controls. It's like a remote control for your child's phone. Set curfews and restrictions. And choose which apps to allow. All this costs less, not more. Because you're only paying for what you need, not what you don't. And best of all, there are no contracts, no commitments, no regrets. Xact. Smart mobile service that's always exactly right.